This experiment is for step 6, experimentation with form. The purpose of this is to learn how to build basic shapes out of cardboard. In our case, we are going to use chipboard as much as possible. Turn your packet to page 2, and the first one is for a tube. You are building basically a toilet paper roll tube. The tube should be 6 inches in length with a 3-inch diameter, which means you're going to need to do some math, because as we take this and roll it, this distance around will make 3 inches, but that's the diameter, and what we need is the circumference. So in order to do that, you have to take 3, and you have to take it times pi. Now pi is the perfect world, but in reality, you want a little extra. So I always use 4 instead of 3.14, which gets me 12. So I need a tube that is 6 inches in one direction. So again, being smart by working from the edge of my chipboard, and 12 inches in the other direction. And I would say anywhere in between 10 to 12 and you'll be fine. I'm gonna make 2 marks, and then I'm going to remark the 6 inches to help make sure I've got a straight line. And then I'm gonna remark the 12 inches. So that I've got always have 2 toggles in order to get a straight line. Okay, once I have that drawn out, depending on whether I like the box cutter better on the chipboard or the scissors, I picked my cutting tool based on what you learned from step 4. Cut this out. And you'll notice I take the chipboard and I curve it away from itself. It gets it easier for me to get the scissors in there. Then on the edge of the table, you've got to take your chipboard and you have to curve it. And I make this look much easier than it is. To curve the edges, I pull it sideways. And I keep doing that until when I roll it up, I can get to 3 inches or less. And then I would go ahead and take a piece of duct tape or heavyweight tape, and I would tape over the top of that.